So what we're going to do is for 1.4b is you're going to start by solving these two equations. 5 minus 2 equals something, and 4 minus 1 equals something. You can use manipulatives, draw a picture, however you want to solve that. Make sure you pay really close attention to that minus sign. We're separating, not joining. We're going to draw a line to match each 10 frame to a number word. So I'm going to say, okay, I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I know 5 starts with a f. It has a magic silent E, so this is the word 5, and I'm going to draw my line. Here I see I have 5 and 3 more, so that means I have 8. Here I see I have 3. And here I see I have my full 10 frame filled up, so I know this must be 10. You may have seen this one a different way. You may have seen, oh, I have 2 blank ones, so I know that's 8. That's okay. You do not have to see it the way Miss Breed saw it. Casey picked these lemons from her tree. Write 2 numbers that are greater than this number of lemons. So I'm going to count the lemons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So I have 17 lemons, and I kind of put that 10 there so I can remember this is a group of 10, and this is 7 more, which is 17. So I need to write 2 numbers that are greater than this number of lemons. Well, I know a number greater than 17 could be 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, etc. So you're going to put any number that is larger or greater than 17. Sam counts backwards, starting at 32. Circle all the numbers Sam will say if he stops counting at 25. Okay, so we're going to start at 32, and we're going to notice it's saying backwards. That means our numbers are going to be getting smaller. So we're going to start with 32. And I know 33 is greater than 32. So I want to look for 31. Okay, here's 31. Then I'm going to look for 30. 30. 29, 28, 27, 26, 25. And that's where I'm going to stop right there is 25. So I should not have 33 circled. I should not have 21 circled because that is less than 25. I should not have 20 circled because that is less than 25. I should not have 24 circled because that is less than 25. I should not have 36 circled because that is greater than 32. And I should not have 100 circled because that is greater than 32. On the back, which is the cent symbol, the cent is the C with the line through it. So I know this is the cent symbol, so I'm going to circle it or put a ring around it. Circle the penny. So I'm going to look. I see, that's Thomas Jefferson, and it's a no-neck nickel, so I know that's not the penny. Here I see Roosevelt, and I know that is not the penny. For here I see George Washington, and I see it says $quarter, so I know that is not the penny. And here I see the Lincoln Memorial, and it says 1 cent. I know a penny has a value of 1 cent, and I know it can have the Lincoln Memorial or the shield on the back, so I know this is the penny. Write a number with the cent symbol, describe the value of the penny. Well, I know the penny is worth 1, and then I'm going to put the C with the line through it to represent cent. 1 cent. Write a number with a cent symbol, describe the value of the coin. Well, I see the eagle, and I see again it says $quarter, so I know that it must be 25 cents. So I'm going to write 25 cents. Sarah has a dime in her pocket. Draw an X on Sarah's coin. Write a number with a cent symbol, describe the value of the dime. So first I'm going to look for my dime. Again, this I look and I see, oh, no neck nickel, there's no neck, and I know that's Thomas Jefferson. That's not a dime. Then I'm going to look, oh, here's Roosevelt, and I see it's the smallest coin. That is a dime. And we know Sarah has a dime, so I'm going to put an X on that. Here I see George Washington, not a dime, and here I see Abraham Lincoln, not a dime. Now it wants me to write a number with a cent symbol, describe the value of the dime. I know my dime is worth 10 cents.